Hello friends, I am fitness trainer Sudhakar Mane. Welcome to this episode of Fitness Size India. As promised in last episode, I am here with an episode on fitness assessment procedure, which is a simple one. Tests are also simple, and I will try to explain it in simple words so that you all can understand it easily. We have seen the benefits and the need of fitness assessment in last episode. Hence, we can straight away start understanding the fitness assessment procedure. Now, procedure starts with filling of mandatory forms like PAR-Q and consent form, and this is followed by the interview. Now, once this is done, fitness assessment is carried out in two parts. In first part, there are two lab tests, namely blood pressure recording and knowing body fat percentage. This is followed by some body measurements, and here ends the part 1. In part 2, simple physical fitness tests are carried out with controlled parameters. First test is step test to get cardiovascular fitness rating. Second test gives us the muscular endurance fitness rating. This is by performing push-up and partial curl-up test. Third test gives us the flexibility of 3 major muscle groups, namely quadriceps, hamstring and hip flexor. Last test is visual postural assessment. That's the end of assessment procedure. After carrying out these tests, findings of all these tests reveal the fair picture of existing fitness level. Using this data, trainer prepares exercise schedule, and when this exercise schedule followed sincerely under the watchful eyes of a trainer and fully supported by correct nutrition, fitness level improves on all count, and that is more important. Fitness level improves on all the parameters of fitness. Friends, fitness education is a well-researched, practiced and proven science which is based on human anatomy, human physiology and human kinesiology. This enables the trainer to know the pathologies and notice the abnormal functioning of body parts. This is more significant, though it is applicable to everyone. This is more significant for 50 years plus group. While aiming fitness improvement, trainer includes corrective actions for structural deviations or pathologies to achieve reversal. Hence, as said earlier, for 50 years plus group, it is late, no doubt, but not too late to stabilize the decline curve. Keep exercising regularly, keep improving and enjoy life with improved health. Keep watching further episodes of Fitness Size India, in which next is episode on execution of fitness assessment procedure. In this, entire procedure, how it is to be carried out, which each test, how it is executed, all that will be explained in detail. So do like it. If you enjoyed, feel free to comment on. We will meet again then. Till then, bye. Have a good day.